Looking for more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 more beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience required. Whether you're a creative or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Let's jump in. First up is social media banners. Every business needs eye-catching banners for their social media profiles, and if you have design skills, this is a great way to earn money. As a banner designer, you'll create visuals that help businesses stand out on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop, which are perfect for beginners. Many clients pay 10 to 50 per banner, depending on the complexity and your experience. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to small businesses that need help with their social media presence. With a bit of practice, you can turn this skill into a steady income stream. Next is invitation design. Whether it's for weddings, corporate events, or parties, people are always looking for beautifully designed invitations. As an invitation designer, you'll create custom designs that make events memorable. Start by learning tools like Adobe InDesign or Canva, which are great for creating professional designs. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per invitation, depending on the complexity and your experience. To stand out, focus on understanding your client's needs and creating designs that reflect their event's theme. You can find work on platforms like Etsy or by networking with event planners. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Third is photo editing. With the rise of social media and e-commerce, businesses and individuals need high-quality edited photos. As a photo editor, you'll enhance images to make them look professional and appealing. Start by learning tools like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop, which are widely used in the industry. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per hour, depending on the complexity of the edits. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to photographers and e-commerce businesses. With a bit of practice, you can build a portfolio and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy working with images and want to tap into a growing industry. Fourth is app development. With the rise of smartphones, businesses are always looking for developers to create apps that solve problems or provide entertainment. As an app developer, you'll design and build apps for various platforms. Start by learning programming languages like Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per hour, depending on the complexity of the app. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' needs and delivering user-friendly apps. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to startups. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the tech world. Finally, let's talk about podcast editing. With podcasts growing in popularity, creators need help editing their episodes to sound professional. As a podcast editor, you'll clean up audio, add intros and outros, and ensure the final product is polished. Start by learning tools like Audacity or Adobe Audition, which are great for beginners. Many podcasters pay $20 to $100 per episode, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to podcasters directly. With a bit of practice, you can build a portfolio and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy working with audio and want to tap into a growing industry. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose social media banners, invitation design, photo editing, app development, or podcast editing, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.